Hey, let's play with shapes puzzle. The blue color shape. Oh. No. Yeah. Yeah, it's perfect. And it's rectangle. Oh, it's like a moon. Orange moon. Where is its face? No, it's orange. Yeah. Yes, yay, it's circle shape. What is the next one? Oh, green color. I love green color. Okay, where it is? No. Yes. Yeah, it's feet. Yeah, it's Pentagon shape. Yay. Oh, it's red color. Red shape. Okay. No. Yeah, perfect. Yes. Yeah, oval shape. What is next? Oh, I know it. In blue color is star shape. I know it. Yes. Oh, perfect. Star shape. Let's move on. Oh, another one green. It's like a pyramid. No. Yes. It's perfect. It's triangle shape. Another blue one. Which blue shape is? Yeah, perfect. Hexagon shape. Yes. Yay. Another red color. It's like a half moon in red. No. Yeah, perfect. Semicircle. Yay. And last one in pink color. Pink color shape. Yeah. Yes. Perfect. Square shape. Yay.